So you've heard of hard forks, but have you heard of soft forks? Not much different from the previous lesson. The underlying principles and goals of a soft fork remain the same as a hard fork. The software protocol needs to be upgraded, but the key factor that separates the two is that a soft fork is backwards compatible and doesn't need to split. So the process is a lot less impactful on both the community and the crypto's value. Meaning, upgrades to the protocol are technically never upgrades, but more of an alteration to the original software, where a hard fork can actually upgrade the size of each block from say 1 megabyte to 2 megabyte. A soft fork has the ability to implement a change similar. However, instead of upgrading, you can actually reduce the block from 1 megabyte to 500 kilobytes. In the blockchain and mining lesson, we covered nodes. To recap, a node is defined as anybody who possesses a copy of the blockchain and runs it on their computer. These are the people who also help validate the blocks. They play a crucial role in forks, as it is up to the nodes to reach an agreed bias and start validating the upgraded blocks by a specific block number. Otherwise, the fork will fail and validating will continue as normal on the original chain, whilst the upgraded chain simply falls off and becomes unusable. Imagine it this way: the blockchain has currently reached block number 3655. They have decided from block number 3657 the majority of nodes must be upgraded and mining blocks with the new upgraded protocol if they wish for the fork to be implemented. Nodes can upgrade in advance and start mining under the new protocol. So if we reach block number 3657, where the fork is planned to be implemented, but only 20% of nodes have upgraded, the chain will fail and go back to the original. If, however, over 80% choose to upgrade, then the fork becomes a success, and anybody mining the old chain will be wasting time and money, as they will not receive rewards anymore for validating the old chain. When the soft fork is activated to define new rules, the blockchain only temporarily splits, whilst the new rules begin to be implemented. This makes soft forks slightly more ethical in how they go about initiating the decision. Instead of causing a divide in the market, everybody comes to a mutual agreement and then go about the new change together.